Mr.
They have told that you can. No, how come? If separatists are so much irrelevant, why is the so-called sitting MLA of National Conference writing a letter to Gilani calling him his mentor not to enforce the boycott in Sopore? If separatists are so much irrelevant, why is the sitting MLA of NC from Sopore writing a letter to
Mr. Makhdoumi,
calling him the mentor of
Mr. Makhdoumi, this is Arnab here. Can you hear me? 1 second.
issue needs solution. India needs to understand.
Mr. Makhdoumi,
Pakistan. It's not an issue of Pakistan.
Mr. Makhdoumi,
We the Kashmiris who are dying.
Mr. Makhdoumi, Mr. Makhdoumi.
We want resolution of Kashmir issue in accordance with our.
Now, Mr. Makhdoumi, you listen to me for a minute. Hashim Qureshi and Mr. Makhdoumi, listen to me for a minute. This is Arnab here. I've listened to both of you for some time now. My question to you is simply this, Mr. Makhdoumi, and if you can, please answer me. If Mr. Makhdoumi, you can answer my questions, then answer me.
Sir, you don't listen to our answers.
Yeah, I don't like one-way traffic. Please listen to me, please. My question is very simple. Why have the people of Kashmir rejected Yasin Malik?
Yes.
No, they have not rejected.
Oh, they haven't, is it?
To play a level playing field. Why are separatists barred even from offering?
Okay, so why? Okay, let me ask you. Why have the people of Kashmir rejected the Jaish-e-Mohammed?
Offer Friday prayers.
Why have the people of Kashmir rejected the Jaish-e-Mohammed, Mr. Makhdoumi?
It is not simple. It's not black.
Why have the people of Kashmir, one at a time, please? I can take both of you on, but I can listen to only one of you at one time, please. 1 second, please.
Sitting NC MLA writes a letter to Gilani calling him the mentor of Kashmir is not to enforce the boycott in Sopore. That means separatists are simply still not irrelevant and would never be. If you talk to a common Kashmiri voter outside a polling booth, Kashmiri girl, she feels afsafa, she feels fake encounters. The resolution of Kashmir issue means death to her, and she is voting for those parties who might give him a hint towards resolution. PDP manifesto, NC manifesto.
You tried everything. You tried everything, Mr. Makhdoumi. Mr. Makhdoumi, you tried everything. You tried everything. You tried everything. You tried everything. You, as in, I'm telling you, separatists, not you.
I don't try everything. I talk what is the ground reality.
You have no idea about the ground reality. You have no idea about the ground reality. The separatists, and listen to me, Mr. Makhdoumi, the separatists even tried to. The separatists even.
Day in and day out, they say that these are.
There are winds of change blowing in BJP's favor, even in the Kashmir Valley. Wait for the results. The separatists will have no place to hide.
Mr. Makhdoumi, Mr. Makhdoumi, a minute, 1 second. Zara sun lijiye 1 minute. You see, I am telling you today, I feel terrible for your situation. I am very happy as an Indian, and I can empathize with your frustration today, Mr. Makhdoumi, because you will leave the studios outside. When you go out of the streets, you will meet an ordinary Kashmiri, and the ordinary Kashmiri will, the ordinary Kashmiri will ask you one question, please, Mr. Makhdoumi. The ordinary Kashmiri will ask you one question. The ordinary Kashmiri will ask you one question. You know what question that is? That question is, did you have the guts to take on the Jaish-e-Mohammed? Did you have the guts to take on Syed Salahuddin? Did you have the guts to take on Jaish-e-Mohammed and Syed Salahuddin? Or did you let the bombs go off? Did you let people die?
Political protesters. Why don't you give them media coverage when they protest for?
I am asking you, Mr. Makhdoumi. I am asking you, Mr. Makhdoumi, and if you don't listen, then it will be difficult to have a conversation. But I want to ask Mr. Makhdoumi this question. Mr. Makhdoumi and Mr. Hashim Qureshi, 1 second. Please relax. You have lost today, and the people of Kashmir have won. I can understand your frustration.
2008. Had 2008 elections solved the issue, there would have been no 2010 mass agitation and killing of 120 youth. Why don't you answer the common Kashmiri's question then? Had 2008 elections answered all the issues, including the Kashmir dispute? Why was there a massive agitation in 2010?
My question is,
why has been every election followed by a mass civil agitation?
Because you see, first of all, there is no mass civil agitation. Mr. Makhdoumi, relax, please. Listen to me, please, Mr. Makhdoumi. First of all, there is no mass civil agitation. There are a few paid agents of the Pakistanis like you who speak the Pakistani language non-stop, and I don't know what interest you have in playing the Pakistani agenda. Why don't you understand what the Pakistanis do and how they use you? And your own people have rejected you tonight. And Mr. Makhdoumi, understand one thing, Mr. Makhdoumi and Mr. Hashim Qureshi, please. Understand, so much arms, so much ammunition that was recovered in the lead up to the elections. Jaish-e-Mohammed, Hizbul Mujahideen, Panchayat leaders killed, bomb blasts, everything possible, infiltration, making the separatists seem important so as to sabotage the talks with India. And what happened? The people of Kashmir came out and told you, Mr. Makhdoumi, you are nobody anymore. You have no right to represent us. And we will vote with the people of India in an Indian election for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. You understand, Mr. Makhdoumi, you have been reduced to a nobody today. People like you and Hashim Qureshi have been reduced, Mr. Makhdoumi, to absolute irrelevance. Do you realize that, Mr. Makhdoumi? Do you realize that, Mr. Makhdoumi, that you are irrelevant today? That you are irrelevant today. Has your own irrelevance hit you, Mr. Makhdoumi? Have you realized that you are irrelevant?
Manifestos are making.
Have you realized you are irrelevant? That no longer can you take the support of the Jaish-e-Mohammed or the Hizbul Mujahideen to appear to be relevant for the Kashmiri people?
Relevance of
That you cannot be riding on top of an AK-47 and terrorizing the people of Kashmir anymore. Do you realize that? Hashim ji, आपको समझ आ गई है कि AK-47 के बंदूक को पकड़ के आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि हम नेता बन जाएंगे. नेता बनेंगे तो हिम्मत हो तो इलेक्शन में आप लड़ें. हिम्मत है तो इलेक्शन में आइए हाशिम जी. 10 वोट भी आपको नहीं मिलेंगे. क्या आप में हिम्मत है इलेक्शन लड़ने की? आप में हिम्मत है? वो जो 102 उम्र की जो वहां पे औरत है वो वोट करने की उनमें हिम्मत है. क्या आपको उसी इलेक्शन में लड़ने की हिम्मत है हाशिम जी? क्या आप में हिम्मत है? क्या आप में हिम्मत है इलेक्शन लड़ने की आज?
जनाब मैं आपको कहता हूँ सुने.
कितनी हिम्मत है आप में? आप में तो इतनी भी हिम्मत नहीं है. आप में तो इतनी भी हिम्मत नहीं है हाशिम जी. हाशिम जी, आपने जैश ए मोहम्मद के खिलाफ कुछ बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं है आपको.
गोइंग फॉर रेफरेंडम.
आपको गलतफहमी है. मैं सबसे ज्यादा आउटस्पोकन हूँ. मैं मिलिटेंसी के खिलाफ सबसे ज्यादा आउटस्पोकन हूँ. मुझे
अच्छा,
पाकिस्तानी
तो फिर एक बात बताइए.
और ये आर्मड स्ट्रगल वाले हिंदुस्तानी एजेंट कहते हैं.
Okay, one sec. Rashni Kher is coming on the debate, and Sambit Patra is coming into the debate of the BJP. Today a separatist comes on my program and says, मैं outspoken हूँ. अगर आप outspoken होते तो आज आप अपने जो अंदर झांक के देखिए और ये सोचिए कि 15 नवंबर को जो जैश-ए-मोहम्मद है, जैश-ए-मोहम्मद वही टेररिस्ट ग्रुप है जिसने IC-814 की हाईजैक की थी. जैश-ए-मोहम्मद ने कहा कि जितने बीजेपी के कैंडिडेट हैं वो लड़े नहीं. कंडेम इट. आपने कितनी बार बोला वहां पे? कितनी बार कंडेम किया पब्लिकली आपने? मैंने तो नहीं देखा, एक बार भी नहीं कहा आपने.
ये जो आज इलेक्शन लड़ रहे हैं ये भाग गए थे जब मैं मिलिटेंसी के खिलाफ बोलता था. मेरी बुक्स पढ़े, मेरे आर्टिकल्स पढ़े. मैंने हमेशा मिलिटेंसी के
You wanted 100% boycott and you've been rejected, Mr. Qureshi. That's all. Rashni Qureshi is coming to the debate. Sambit Patra, we have one separatist, Hashim Qureshi of the JNK Democratic Liberation Party.
Last.
1 minute, please. No, 1 second. No, before you make your last point, Sambit Patra has to respond to you, please. I'm telling you today, none of you had the guts to take on. None of you had the guts to take on Syed Ali Shah Gilani, Yasin Malik and Mirwais Omar Farooq and all the other people. You had no guts to take on Syed Salahuddin. You did not even have the guts to take on Mohammad Hassan Shah of the Jaish-e-Mohammed.
You can ask to that people. People ask, you can ask.
Which people, sir? Which people have rejected you, sir? People have rejected you. आप तो आज कश्मीर में इतनी बुरी तरह से आप और मखदूमी रिजेक्ट हो चुके हैं कि आप जाके कल कश्मीर श्रीनगर के बाजार में पूछिए लोगों को, आप पूछिए लोगों की कि आपकी ऐसी हालत क्यों हुई. संबित पात्रा रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू यू नाउ. संबित पात्रा.
इसी टाइम्स नाउ पे मेरे साथ डिबेट करें 1 घंटा.
Arnab, today is a historical day. Only
73% polling is historic. Yes, it is.
Then I can speak. But I say today is a historic day because those who called for boycott all these years have been boycotted. Today is a historic day because the separatists have been separated from the land of Jammu and Kashmir. They stand alienated, they stand separated today. Today is a historic day because the separatists have in fact realized that they cannot play on the hands of a foreign nation to destroy the peace of India. Today is a historic day because Jammu and Kashmir has finally won. And I believe today is the day when on the news hour we should not be shouting and out-shouting each other. Today is a day when on the news hour we should all be smiling because we have won. Let me congratulate you, Arnab. Let me congratulate Times Now also because you all always stood by stood by the issue that Pakistan was the instigating agent. You always said that Pakistan was trying to create this kind of charade in India.
Of course, Pakistan.
And today they stand exposed. So today all those people who are shouting on the news should not shout. They should simply sit back and smile if they really are India's friend.
Our land. We want to he also cry because he occupied our
सर
land.
आपको इतने चिल्लाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. आप अगर खुश हैं तो आस्ते-आस्ते बोलिए ना.
Because you are not listening me.
You see, who's...
you are not
it's
listening
not... No, Mr. You are mistaken, Hashim ji. You are mistaken. No, no, one second.
Jammu Kashmir is not listening to you, sir. No one is listening to you.
Rashni
Your voice
Kher
is
coming
lost.
back into the debate
Your voice is lost forever.
tonight, Rashni Kher, we had a very... Well, Rashni, I want you to respond to Rameez Makhdoumi also, who spoke earlier today. They say nobody is listening to them. My own view is that the people of Kashmir are not listening to them or have listened to them and rejected them. Now they are saying this election means nothing. No, what, Mr. Sir, आप सुन लीजिए किसी की बात, please, Hashim ji. Hashim ji, this has been tried in the past as well, calling for the boycott of elections. 2008 assembly elections, 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Door-to-door campaign had happened. Didn't it happen, Rashnik? From door to door, these separatists went saying, don't vote, don't vote. They threatened people.
I was not.
Did it happen or not, Rashnik, in the past? Rashnik Kher.
They killed people. They did not just resort to door-to-door campaigning. That would still be understood as a civil way of showing boycott. They killed anybody who stood for
Let him speak.
They killed people who wanted to protect the people who wanted to stand for elections. And you know, I have a word for our friends in National Conference, because day before Omar Abdullah tweeted that I am happy that Mr. Gilani has rejected his own call for boycott. Now when we have mainstream parties like this saying things like this, then certainly we have to look inside our own systems also for mainstream parties like National Conference, who are running with the hares and hunting with the hounds.
Well said. Well said. No, but Rashnik, stay on. Before that, Rameez Makhdoumi said these elections mean nothing. Rameez Makhdoumi says these elections mean nothing.
These are just for governance. These are just for governance.
Please, mister, listen to him.
These are not for governance. If these are
just for governance, then even NCPDP talks the same.
If these are for governance, then why do you want a boycott? If this is not, what else is the other form of democratic process?
I am telling you,
Are guns for governance?
Of the people. These
are guns for governance? Is Lashkar-e-Toiba for governance? Is Hizbul Mujahideen for governance? Everything that is done in a democratic process is for governance. We understand that. If you do not understand that, Mr. Everything is done for governance. Eventually, you are to govern a state. Elections are an essential part of the democratic process. Now, if this is a referendum of sorts, if you do not understand it, God help you.
Which one of you? Which one of you? And Mr. Makhdoumi?
Both countries are in our land.
Yes, they are. And Mr. Qureshi, please, 1 minute, just hold yourself back. Hold yourself back. Hold yourself back. Hold yourself back. And my question, Rashnik, stay on. And my question goes to Rameez Makhdoumi, who was very angrily debating just 1 minute back. Mr. Makhdoumi, don't be so angry. You see, Mr. Makhdoumi, I'd like to give you some advice.
No, I am not angry.
No, you are frustrated, and that's why your anger is being amplified. But I'm telling you, you have reason to be frustrated.
No.
But you should be more introspective than angry today. You should think about what happened, because people like you who say they are independent political commentators. You say you are an independent political commentator.
Yes.
What kind of independent political commentator are you? Tell me, how many times did you write against the killing of the sarpanches by the terrorists? How many times did you write about the killing of the sarpanches by the terrorists? How many times did you write? How much did you protest about it?
I have
did you go to the streets and say?
Human rights violations from all sides.
How many times did you talk about the Lashkar-e-Toiba? How many times did you speak against the Lashkar-e-Toiba?
With Kashmir issue resolution.
How many times did you? How many times? Show me once. Okay, here's a challenge. Okay, here's a challenge. So Rameez Makhdoumi, who says he's a journalist and political commentator, Mr. Makhdoumi, I'll take you head on. I'll take you head on.
Not 1987, 1996.
Mr. Makhdoumi, Mr. Makhdoumi, in 2011, listen to me, you have to listen to me for a minute, please, both of you. In 2011, there was a panchayat election in Jammu and Kashmir, am I right? And in that panchayat election, about 80% polling happened in the first and second phases. And in the 2012 December, turnout for the 4 legislative council seats was 90%. I want to ask you, if 90% of the people of Kashmir are not the people of Kashmir, then who are the real people of Kashmir? People like you.
No, even in
90% of the people are wrong.
Who disagrees with that? In the same Bandipora, voting does not end the day here. You cannot link Kashmir and voting. That's a very dangerous precedent.
कह रहा है फंड्स कहाँ गए? फंड्स उन्होंने खाए हैं।
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, आपको इतनी डर क्यों है आपकी आवाज में आज?
लोगों के पास पानी नहीं है।
आपके आवाज में इतनी डर क्यों है? आप किस बात से डरे हुए हैं आज?
ओ यार मतलब गोस्वामी,
what is he saying?
Don't just
उन्होंने
do
खा लिए?
these kind of jokes.
Well, I'm not joking. When 70% of the people vote,
बीजेपी ने कहा है कि फंड्स जो है फंड्स यहाँ के हुक्मरानों ने खाए हैं।
You see, Mr. मुझे तो बुरा लग रहा है आपके लिए आज।
लोगों के पास
मुझे तो बहुत बुरा लग रहा है आज कुरैशी जी। कुरैशी जी, आपके लिए तनवीर सादिक and Sambit Patra, and I want everyone across India to watch this tonight because the fact of the matter is this, that I'll say this openly. There is a cottage industry in our country. हमारे देश में भी काफी ऐसे लोग हैं जो 5-star activist हैं जो
As a anchor, I love your attitude, but I hate your. You see, when you are trying to overthrow the people just for noises, not with argument.
Now, Mr. Qureshi, you are representing listen to me, Mr. Qureshi. Now you're finished, no? Now you're finished, no, Mr. Qureshi. Now I'll tell you.
No.
I'll tell you one thing. I don't. No, 1 second. I don't. Now, Mr. Qureshi, just listen to me for a minute. If you've stopped that strange noise that you're making.
But you are
the fact is, Mr. Qureshi, I'll tell you one thing. I don't need the certificate of legitimate or illegitimate political parties. Legitimate political parties in this country have never given me a certificate, and they will never give me a certificate. And illegitimate political parties like yours, illegitimate political parties like yours, illegitimate politicians like you, who have no people's base, who have never fought an election, who only speak a line of Pakistan, have no right to tell me what to do. My question is factual. My question was factual. 90% of people vote in an election, and you say they are not the real people. Who are the real people? The Pakistani agents.
That does not mean they want to India. That does not mean they want to India. Tomorrow, you come tomorrow with election.
Strangest argument. I don't know. You don't believe in an election.
And give the people.
Well, I think Sambit Patra and Tanveer Sadiq may want to engage with us. Sambit Patra, please. Sambit Patra, please. Sambit Patra.
What does he mean?
Sambit Patra, please.
What is he saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? That does not mean that they want to be in India? They don't want to be in India. That's the reason as to why they're voting. What are you saying? Please get your acts right. Please think before you speak. They are participating in the democratic process of India because they want their development, because they want employment for their children. They want to live peacefully, which you are not allowing them to live. People like you are not allowing people of Jammu and Kashmir to live in peace. And today the people of Jammu and Kashmir have realized,
Mr. Qureshi, now that you are trying to speak directly to me, I will really speak directly to you. Once again, Sambit, I want Mr. Qureshi to hear the truth tonight. 1 second, Mr. Qureshi, just listen to me for a minute. Why is he running away from the program? Mr. Qureshi, just don't run away. Please listen to me for a minute, okay? Can you hear me, Mr. Qureshi? Okay, he got so worked up that he lost his earpiece tonight. Mr. Qureshi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll tell you one thing, and just don't react immediately. Let me complete my full sentence.
Yes. But after that, give me a minute.
Now listen to me quietly.
I am listening to you.
Mr. Qureshi, you are a supporter. Now, I'll just complete what I have to say and then you respond. You are a known supporter of terrorists. You are a supporter of Maqbool Bhatt, who was a terrorist. Now
you are
listen to
wrong.
me. I told you don't respond till I finish.
I love. He was my leader.
I'll tell you the facts. I'll tell you the facts. That's why people like you. You claim you don't want to be. You claim that you don't want to be part of Pakistan. You claim you don't want to be part of Pakistan, but is it not a fact that Maqbool Bhatt was trained in Pakistan? You claim to disown Pakistan, but you don't mind being trained by Pakistanis to pursue an anti-India agenda.
No, it's all lies. It's Indian lies, Pakistani lies.
Okay.
He was against the Pakistan, same like that India. He was a great leader. He was an ideological
And
leader.
supporters of
He was a
Maqbool Bhatt
secular
killed
leader.
Ravindra Mahatre, India's Assistant
was-
High Commissioner to the UK in February 1983 in an attempt to secure the release of Maqbool Bhatt. After Ravindra Mahatre was killed, Maqbool Bhatt was hanged.
That was Amanullah Khan.
Where is your sense of
Amanullah
allegiance
Khan
to any
killed
nation,
them.
including your own?
Amanullah killed him, not the Maqbool Bhatt. Amanullah killed him, not Maqbool Bhatt. Amanullah give that order.
Is it true that during...
Amanullah-
Okay, now you really want me to go into detail. Now, Mr. Qureshi, I'll really go into detail. I want to take you back to the year 1969 when you were a younger man. Is it true that when you went to Pakistan, you went to Pakistan in 1969, and when you went to Pakistan, you met a man called Maqbool Bhatt in 1969. And if I'm not mistaken, you met him in Peshawar.
Yes.
And you joined the JKNLF.
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
I wrote it.
Am I right or wrong, Mr. Yes, sahi ya galat?
No, you see, I am
Abhi
right
kuch, now you have
because I
nothing to
wrote
say.
it
So
in the book.
I am saying today, change your line. अपनी सोच बदल दीजिए, बदलिए. इन लोगों से टूट के अभी भी मौका है आपको समझने की कश्मीर के लोगों ने आप जैसे लोगों को रिजेक्ट कर दिया.
नहीं, हम क्या बदले? क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, मेरा एक सवाल है पूरे इंडिया से.
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं. देखिए, मैंने आपको सीधा सवाल किया.
अपनी बदल लूंगा. मेरा एक सवाल है.
ये सेपरेटिज्म, सेसेशनिज्म, एंटी इंडिया प्रोपेगेंडा, प्रो पाकिस्तान लाइन, आईएसआई लाइन, रावलपिंडी लाइन छोड़ दीजिए, अभी भी छोड़ दीजिए. छोड़ दीजिए. आज कश्मीर के लोगों ने आपको बिल्कुल नाकाब कर दिया.
गोस्वामी, मुझे बाकी सेपरेटों के साथ न तोले, मुझे आप अलग तोले.
नहीं तोलूंगा.
मैं दोनों के खिलाफ जंग लड़ रहा हूं. मैं एक बात आपको कह रहा हूं, एक सवाल है मेरा, आज पूरी इंडिया से आपसे सुन रहे हैं, सिर्फ एक सवाल है. आपके आईन में आपको महाराजा ने एक्सेशन किया था.
अरे प्लीज, you know, please don't give me this lecture on the status of Kashmir.
Please,
Arnab, there is nothing called as a good separatist and a bad separatist.
एक मिनट संबित पात्रा कुछ कह रहे हैं, मगर उसके पहले मैं आपको कह दूं एक बार, आखिरी बार आपको और आपके जितने पाकिस्तानी सपोर्टर्स हैं उनको कि कश्मीर is not a disputed area. Kashmir is an integral part of India, affirmed by the elected representatives of Kashmir way back in 1954, because in 1954 the Jammu and Kashmir Constituent Assembly ratified the state's accession to India. 1956 the J&K Constituent Assembly in the state constitution adopted on November 17th, 1956, Section 3 of the Constitution to say the state of Jammu and Kashmir shall and will remain be an integral part of the Union of India. आपको कुछ पता नहीं है तो आप क्यों बोलते हैं?
मेरे एक सवाल से मत भागो.
और आज लोगों ने भी रिजेक्ट कर दिया.
आपका कश्मीर इंटीग्रल पार्ट है. कश्मीर आपका इंटीग्रल पार्ट है. ये बताएं आपके आईन में. अच्छा, आपके आईन में लिखा हुआ है
लोगों ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया.
तो आप क्यों वहाँ हमला क्यों नहीं करते? आप उसको क्यों नहीं लेते?
सेपरेटिज्म को रिजेक्ट कर दिया. व्हाट डू यू मीन तनवीर? सेपरेटिज्म को रिजेक्ट कर दिया. Separatism and secessionism has been rejected. Why are you getting touchy about it, Tanveer? Why are you getting touchy about it? Separatism has been rejected. Why don't you accept it as well?
But not the Kashmir issue.
I am saying separatism has been rejected.
Something does not mean that
separatism has been
Kashmir
rejected.
issue is
People like your leader Omar Abdullah, who had the temerity to say in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, they spoke in favor of Ajmal Amir Kasab. That line has been rejected by the people of Jammu and Kashmir today. The Ajmal Kasab line has been rejected by the people of Kashmir today.
This voter turnout is in our favor. This is is not anti-incumbency. This is not anti-incumbency. This is in our favor.
It is anti-separatism, anti-secessionism. You know that as well as I do.
Yes,
Your favor,
because
you
we
did
have
not
been,
want-
we have
Sambit.
been governing.
Sambit.
And this
Can
is not-
I come in?
let me be very
Sambit,
clear.
please.
Arnav,
Sambit is responding
This is not
quickly. In
a
1 minute we are
vote
wrapping this
for,
debate, and I'm requesting
against
everyone,
the Kashmiri
you can
issue.
tell us your views on the
This is not
subject
a-
today.
The National Conference has no right to
It's about
speak
governance.
today.
It's about
The
how to
National
work.
Conference should not advise or speak today, because I remember, Arnav, on your show, the
Are
National
you going to
Conference
take
was
the
not
credit for
serious
this
on the
turnout today?
IS issue. I remember
serious?
Omar
Are you
Abdullah
really
said
going
that
to
this
take
is
credit
not
for
a
this
serious
turnout?
threat. This
Just
is not a
because
serious
just
issue.
because BJP
And as far as
you be- there is a
separatism is
BJP way
concerned,
with
let me
Kashmir.
remind that there is
Sambit
nothing
Patra,
called as
who are
good
you people
separatism
here?
and bad
Are
separatism.
you serious?
Separatists
This is a
are
joke show
separatists,
you're talking
and
about?
they have been shown the door
Are you
today.
serious?
They
Are
have
you
been
talking
demolished
about
today.
BJP way
Thirdly,
with
yes,
Kashmir?
Kashmir has an
came
issue,
out
and the
against
issue of
Article
Kashmir is
370, so that you
development,
cannot touch
development
Article
and
370.
development alone.
People came out
And
for
today
that.
the people of
People came out
Kashmir
so that they
have
could give you a
conveyed this,
message. So
that
that
we
they could
want
show you
development,
what
we want
Kashmiris are all
employment.
about.
Please do not
They
use
came
us
out
as
because they
bait
wanted
to
to
play
come out and
politics.
show you
And
something.
this has to be
Don't-
driven
don't-
home
don't
to the
give us-
separatists.
Don't hoodwink people.
There are two images which come to my mind today. One is the image of a traitor called Yasin Malik. One is, there are two images which come to my mind today, Tanveer, there are two images,
I cannot be
there
more
are,
amused than this.
Tanveer, there are two images in my mind today.
I'm amused with what...
One second, Tanveer, there are two images in my mind today. One is the image of a face of a man who's a traitor to India, to his own country, called Yasin Malik. Now that man has been completely taken on today by the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And the other image is that of the 102-year-old woman who says, I have always voted and will continue to vote. The people of Kashmir today are represented by the face of this 102-year-old woman, not by that traitor called Yasin Malik. Thank you very much for joining me on this debate on the News Hour Tonight.